Hi friends, welcome to Civil Infotech YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Today I am going to tell you about rate analysis of concrete, that is M20 grade, that is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. For example, we can consider a 10 cubic meter of concrete of mixed design 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. The dry volume of total materials required is considered as 1.5 times the wet volume of concrete due to voids present in the sand and aggregates in dry state. Therefore, total volume of materials required as 15 cubic meter for 10 cubic meter of dry concrete. Hence, we have to calculate the materials required for 15 cubic meter of concrete. Here, the materials are stone ballast 20 mm coarse, that is coarse aggregate 288.59 CFT, sand, that is fine aggregates 144.3 CFT, cement 79 bags in that of 15 cubic meter as per the ratio 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. And these are the unit rates of the materials, and these are the total cost of the materials by multiplying quantity into rate. Then we have to find labor, that is head mason required half a day. We can write it as zero point 0.5 per day, and mason 2 per day, boy coolie 10 per day, woman coolie 6 per day, which the including curing 5 per day. And these are the labor cost per day, and this is the total labor cost. Then total of materials and labor is 71,473.65, and we have to add 7.5% for contingencies, that is equipments or miscellaneous charges, etc. For example, we have to bring that vibrator machine, or we have to hire for something materials or labor, etc. On materials plus labor, that is 5,360.53. Then we have to add 15% for contractor's profit and overheads on materials plus labor plus contingencies, that is 11,525.13. Then finally we have to add 18% GST on materials plus labor plus contingencies plus contractor's profit, that is 15,904.68. Hence, the total cost of 10 cubic meter of concrete is 1,04,263.99 rupees. Then rate for 1 cubic meter of concrete is 10,427 rupees by simply dividing this value by 10. Then rate for 1 CFT of concrete is 296 rupees by dividing 10,427 by 35.28, because 1 cubic meter is 35.28 CFT. As it is, we can find the rate of the size stone masonry or brickwork, etc. For example, we can calculate the rate analysis for 9 inches thick brick wall construction. For example, we can consider 10 cubic meter of brickwork. The quantity of mortar is required is 30% in that volume, mean 3 cubic meter. Because this, since voids present in the sand in the dry state, so we have to increase the percentage 30% of the 3 cubic meter, hence that is zero point 0.9 cubic meter. So total volume of the mortar is 3.9 cubic meter, and the brickwork is 7 cubic meter, because 3 cubic meter is the mortar volume, and the cement and sand ratio is 1 is to 6. Here, the materials required are brick first class 1, including 5% wastage for 7 cubic meter is 4,152 numbers, and sand is 117.93 CFT for, and cement 16 bags in that of 3.9 cubic meter of mortar as per the ratio 1 is to 6 of cement and sand respectively. So here are the unit rate of materials, and this is the total cost of the materials. By multiplying quantity and rate we can get it. So here labor required are head mason required for half day, or we can write it as zero point 0.5 per day, and mason 9 per day, boy coolie 8 per day, women coolie 10 per day, bishti including curing 2 per day, and these are the total labor cost per day. This is the total labor cost, and total of materials and labor is 67,936.13. 3 rupees. Then we have to add 7.5% for contingencies, that is equipment, miscellaneous charges, etc. on materials plus labor, that is 5095.23 rupees. Then we have to add 15% for contractors profit and overheads on materials plus labor plus contingencies, that is 10,954.73. Then finally add 18% GST tax on materials plus labor plus contingencies plus contractors profit, that is 15,117.53. Hence, total cost of 10 cubic meter of brickwork is 99,103.79 rupees. Then rate for 1 cubic meter of brickwork is 9,911 rupees by simply dividing this value by 10. Then rate for 1 CFT of brickwork is 281 rupees by simply dividing 9911 rupees by 35.28, because 1 cubic meter is 35.28 CFT. Then rate for 1 square feet of brick wall of 9 inches thick wall is 211 rupees, because this is for 1 cubic meter of brickwork, this is for 9 inches thick wall. So we have to multiply by 0.75 into 281. We can get the value 211 for 9 inches thick brick wall of 1 square feet of brick wall. Thank you.